Alright, so this showed up at a thrift store for like $6 as is. I thought it looked kind of cool for a toy grade, so we picked it up, and it just needed a battery. Hey Duncan, how you doing, sweetie? What's that? That reverse. I just put like a 7.4 volt LiPo in there, or 7.2, whatever it is. The original battery was a 9.6 nickel metal hydride, or however you say that. Got a weird turning method. Just leans. It's got these big old wheels. I don't think they have a socket or a fitting that's similar to anything else. It would be neat if they did, because I'd use them for something.